Tea for bronchitis. Bronchitis is a common respiratory condition characterized by inflammation of the bronchial tubes, the airways that carry air to and from the lungs. It can be acute or chronic, and symptoms often include coughing, wheezing, chest discomfort, and difficulty breathing. While medical treatment is crucial for managing bronchitis, incorporating certain teas into your daily routine can provide additional support and relief. In this video, we will delve into the benefits of tea for bronchitis, explore various types of teas suitable for bronchitis, and discuss how tea can help alleviate its symptoms. Understanding bronchitis. Before delving into the benefits of tea, it's important to understand bronchitis and its different forms. Acute bronchitis is typically caused by viral infections, such as the common cold or flu, and it usually resolves within a few weeks. Chronic bronchitis, on the other hand, is a long-term condition, often linked to smoking or prolonged exposure to irritants. Both types involve inflammation of the bronchial tubes, leading to excessive mucus production and narrowing of the airways, resulting in the characteristic cough and breathing difficulties. The role of tea in bronchitis relief. Tea, especially herbal teas, has been consumed for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments, including respiratory conditions. The warm, soothing nature of tea can help relax the airways and ease congestion, making it a valuable addition to the treatment of bronchitis. Several bioactive compounds found in tea can contribute to its therapeutic effects. Antioxidants. Tea, particularly green tea, contains potent antioxidants like catechins and polyphenols. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress caused by inflammation, which can be beneficial in managing bronchitis symptoms. Anti-inflammatory properties. Some teas, such as ginger and chamomile, possess anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the swelling in the bronchial tubes, providing relief from coughing and breathlessness. Immune system support. Certain teas, like echinacea and elderberry, contain compounds that boost the immune system. Strengthening the immune response can aid the body in fighting off viral infections that may trigger acute bronchitis. Expectorant action. Some herbal teas, like licorice root and thyme, have expectorant properties. They help loosen mucus and phlegm, facilitating its expulsion from the respiratory tract and alleviating chest congestion. Types of teas beneficial for bronchitis. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption of green tea may help in reducing inflammation and support the immune system, making it an excellent choice for bronchitis relief. Ginger tea. Ginger is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Ginger tea can soothe irritated airways, ease coughing, and reduce bronchial inflammation. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea possesses anti-inflammatory and muscle relaxant properties. It can help calm irritated bronchial tubes, reduce coughing, and promote relaxation, making it beneficial for bronchitis sufferers. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea contains menthol, which can provide a cooling sensation to the airways, easing breathing difficulties. It also acts as an expectorant, aiding in mucus clearance. Echinacea tea. Echinacea is known for its immune-boosting properties. Drinking echinacea tea may help strengthen the immune system and reduce the risk of viral infections that trigger acute bronchitis. Licorice root tea. Licorice root possesses expectorant and anti-inflammatory properties. Drinking licorice root tea can help reduce mucus production and soothe bronchial inflammation. Thyme tea. Thyme tea has been traditionally used to relieve respiratory conditions. It acts as an expectorant, promoting the expulsion of mucus, and has antibacterial properties that can assist in fighting off infections. How does tea help bronchitis? Soothing effect. The warmth and steam from a cup of tea can soothe irritated airways, reducing coughing and promoting relaxation. Hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for thinning mucus and making it easier to expel. Drinking plenty of herbal teas helps maintain proper hydration levels. Immune support. Teas rich in antioxidants and immune-boosting compounds can help the body defend against viral infections that may cause acute bronchitis. Expectorant action. Herbal teas with expectorant properties can aid in loosening and clearing mucus, easing chest congestion. Tea has long been cherished for its therapeutic properties, and when it comes to bronchitis, it can play a valuable role in providing relief and supporting the healing process. green tea, ginger tea, chamomile tea, peppermint tea, echinacea tea, licorice root tea and thyme tea are among the types that can offer benefits for bronchitis sufferers. The antioxidants, anti-inflammatory agents, immune support and expectorant properties found in these teas make them excellent natural remedies to complement medical treatments for bronchitis. Be sure to check out our line of delicious tea at hummingbirdtearoom.com. Want to learn how to make ginger tea? Well, our How to Use Ginger in Tea is the perfect video for you.